and welcome to the Mind to Be Kind Commitments and Learning Managers Weekly Assembly. The Mind to Be Kind focus this week is on resilience. During the first lockdown in March, there were some amazing stories of Beacon Hill learners demonstrating great resilience. Sir Tom Moore proved an excellent role model. A reminder of what resilience is. It's the ability to bounce back from stress and pressure. This period of lockdown is bound to throw up more challenges, and it's important we are honest with ourselves and our levels of resilience. Understand our own levels of resilience. On the screen is a short survey you can do today. The scoring system is really simple and is on the right hand side of the screen at the moment in the Wellbeing alert. So all you need to do is have a pen and a piece of paper and complete the questionnaire. You'll need to pause the screen now whilst you have a go. On the next slide, you can find out what your scores mean. So, once you have totaled up your scores, here's what they mean. If this score shows you your resilience needs improving, you can take control. Some ideas are on the right hand side of the screen at the moment in the Wellbeing alert. By visualising your success, this can help put you in a confident frame of mind. Sport stars do this by seeing their next game or match in their head and visualising themselves winning. You can do this in all aspects of life. By boosting your own self-esteem, this could also help improve your confidence. You can do this by taking on a new exercise challenge, a little like Sir Thomas Moore did in the summer. This will help you become more optimistic and think positively. Your family and friends are great people to ask for help in all circumstances. But remember, you always have your teachers and learning managers during this lockdown phase. Learning new skills is a great way to boost your resilience. Your new commitments challenge or your next live lesson could be a great place to start. Finally, be yourself. Trying to please lots of people by acting differently can be tiring and difficult to keep up. Be true to you and you won't go far wrong. And finally, a reminder, don't forget, if you don't feel like talking to somebody you know, please visit Kooth.com to speak to somebody specially trained, free and online.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the Commitment Lockdown Challenge number 2. This week's challenge is Ready, Steady, Cook. So what we'd like you to do is just have a go at learning a new recipe, to cook something new and enjoyable. This will also allow you to tick off one of your learning that inspires commitment strands once again whilst doing this. And again, email any entries that you have to challenge@beaconhillacademy.org.uk. And if you have a little look on the hyperlinks there on the slide, you can click on these links and they will take you to some fantastic recipes that you can have a little go at cooking. So all the best, and I look forward to seeing some of those fantastic dishes that you produce.
Hi year 8, I hope you are safe and well. It is really encouraging to see that so many of you have been engaging with the online learning on Microsoft Teams, and I wanted to say a special well done to all of the learners who are our distance learning stars for Microsoft Teams this week. So well done to Charlie, William, Fraser, Harry, Lana, Sky, Yvonne, Billy, Debbie and Alexia. Congratulations to all of you. I'm really, really proud of you that you have worked so hard on Microsoft Teams and making sure that you're completing all of your online learning. Now, all of those people, guys, have made sure that they've done all of their lessons that have been set on Microsoft Teams, and it is so important that the rest of you follow that same model. So I'd like to see even more of an engagement next week of those of you who are logging on to Microsoft Teams and Hecate Maths, Bedrock, etc. It is so important, guys, for you to get your online learning done. It's allowing you to be more flexible at home because you can get all of your work done. If you take it at your own pace, you might be quicker than other people, but you can get your learning done in your own time when you're at home. Other than obviously when you've got your live lessons on a Monday morning and a Friday morning, which is your tutor time, and then you've got Monday, you've got maths, and then Wednesday you've got English and science. And those live lessons are so, so important, guys, for you to get engaged with. So please make sure you're taking the opportunities that are given to you. The teachers are still following the exact curriculum that you would be learning at school. So now is the time to make sure that you're on track, ready for when we do finally return back to school. So bear that in mind. Don't just think that you can sit at home and do nothing for the next 4 or 5 weeks that we've got until we hopefully return after February half term. It is so important to stay on track and engaged so that you are, ahead and ready to come back to school to carry on with the curriculum. So please bear that in mind. I hope you have a fantastic week. Make sure you get involved with Mr. Martin's commitments challenge, Ready Steady Cook challenge. I look forward to seeing some of the meals that you may have been preparing at home. Take this opportunity to learn this new skill, guys, and embrace what lockdown is giving us at the moment. So I will speak to you all next week. Stay safe, guys, and speak to you all soon. Bye.